In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone a Clickfunnel funnel tool. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to duplicate an existing funnel so you can reuse your work without rebuilding everything from scratch. Let's begin inside your Clickfunnels dashboard. Once you're logged in and you're on the main screen, look over to the left-hand sidebar. There, you'll see an option labeled Funnels. Go ahead and click on that. This section is where all of your existing funnels are listed, and it's the starting point anytime you want to manage, edit, or in this case, clone a funnel. After you open the Funnels section, you'll see a list of all the funnels in your account. Take a moment to find the specific funnel you want to clone. It helps to name your funnels clearly beforehand so you can quickly recognize which one you're duplicating. Once you've found the right one, click on that funnel to open it. Now that you're inside the funnel's main overview page, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see a button or tab labeled Settings. This is where you control the overall configuration for that funnel, including things like its name, domain settings, and various advanced options. Click on Settings to move into the funnel's settings page. Inside the settings page, scroll down slightly or scan the page until you find the option that says Duplicate Funnel. This is the feature that will create an exact copy of your current funnel, including its steps and layout. Before you click it, just remember that the duplicated funnel will usually appear with a similar name, often with the word copy or something similar added. So it's a good idea to plan on renaming it afterward to keep your workspace organized. Go ahead and click Duplicate Funnel. As soon as you do, Clickfunnels will prompt you to confirm your action. You'll see a confirmation message asking if you're sure you want to duplicate this funnel. This is to help prevent accidental copies. When you're ready, click Yes to confirm. The system will then create a cloned version of your funnel. Once it's done, you can go back to your funnels list, open the new copy, and customize it as needed without affecting the